The present continuous tense. Sadašnje trajno vrijeme. Positive sentences, potvrdne rečenice. Radnja se dešava u trenutku govora ili u nekom sadašnjem periodu. Samo ove sedmice, samo danas, samo ovog mjeseca, samo ove godine. Ovo vrijeme možemo upotrijebiti i za buduće radnje u bliskoj budućnosti. Dogovor s nekim u izlasku. Zakazan termin kod doktora, frizera i sl. I am making a cake now. You, he, she is making a cake today. We, you, they are making a cake for my birthday. Verb infinitive plus ing. Sadašnji particip. The present participle. Ing form of the verbs. Go, going. Begin, beginning. Travel, traveling. Lie, lying. Negative sentences. Odrečne rečenice. I am not making a cake now. You, we, they are not making a cake. He, she, it is not making a cake. Time expressions. Vremenski izrazi, prilozi za učestalost. This week, ove sedmice. Now, sada, right now, upravo sada. This afternoon, ovog popodneva. Today, danas. To be plus not. Long form, short form. Long form, dugi oblik i short form, kratki oblik. I am not. Not. Is not. Not isn't. Are not. Not aren't. Interrogative sentences. Upitne rečenice. Am I making a cake now? Are you, we, they making a cake? Is she, he, it making a cake? An example. I am waking up at 6 o'clock this week. I'm waiting for the bus to get to work. This afternoon, after 11 o'clock, my colleagues and I are taking a break to eat and drink something. The lady from our bakery is giving me the wrong order and I'm waiting again in the queue. Today I'm not staying at work after 4, but my colleague Sarah is working until 7 in the evening. Is she doing it only today? No, she isn't.